So, you're new to Google Classroom. Well, I'm here to give you a tour. This is my Google Classroom demonstration class. Mrs. Gist was nice enough to let me show you what it looks like from a student perspective. So here we are in Mrs. Gist's profile. And this is what you will see when you're opening up your Google Classroom class. There are 3 pages in Google Classroom. First, you have your class stream. This is where your teacher will share announcements with you. Notice I shared an announcement with my class. As a student, you can respond to your teacher's announcements. Thanks, I'm excited to be here, she might say. To the left of the class stream, you will notice that there's a list of upcoming assignments, and there's one due today. We might want to take care of that. To do that, we'll click on the second tab in Google Classroom, which is the Classwork tab. In the Classwork tab, you will be able to see materials and assignments that are shared with you by your teacher. There are 4 different types of assignments. In the next video, we will go through all of them. Notice that some of these assignments have due dates, and some of them do not. If you open up an assignment and click View Assignment, you will see how much the assignment is worth, when it was posted by who, and when the assignment is due. Let's go back. All right. So in addition to seeing assignments and materials in your classwork page, you will also see a couple other helpful things. First, you can click on this Meet link to join your class virtually. Anytime your class is meeting with a video, this is the way you can do it. So here we go. Now I'm in my virtual Google Classroom. You will click on the Meet link that connects with the class that you are trying to join. So if you're trying to join my 7th grade English class, go to your classroom that pertains to that one and click join. All right, now let's get out of this. Maybe. All right. Another thing you will see is Google Calendar. So if you click on Google Calendar, you will see all of the assignments that you have due. So here are Mrs. Gist's 3 assignments due in this class. That's something that's really helpful because it's a way for you as a student to see all the assignments that you have due. We'll go back to classwork. The other thing that you can see is your classwork drive folder. Every assignment you turn in to Google Classroom will be located in this drive folder. So if you click on that, it will take you straight to your Google Drive. And here are the 2 assignments that Mrs. Gist has turned in for this demonstration class so far. Again, everything you turn into this class will be in your classroom drive folder, and it will connect to the class. So here are all the different classes that she has in Google Classroom. If we click on demonstration class again, there are the 2 she has for this class. There are so many different ways that you can access your assignments and materials, but don't let that confuse you. Always go back to Google Classroom. The final tab you see to the right of classwork is the People tab. In this case, all you can see is me as a teacher. If there are multiple teachers and multiple students, you will be able to see who else is in your class. This has been a quick tutorial of Google Classroom. Stay tuned for the next episode in which I show you how to turn in assignments on Classroom. As always, please let me know if you have any questions.